This is 5 News at 10.
We begin tonight with new reaction to the Arkansas governor's signature education reform plan that she signed this week. Thanks for joining us. I'm Darren Bobb, and now that it is law, how long will it be before a legal challenge is filed to block it from taking effect? I talked with an associate professor at UA Fort Smith about future lawsuits.
Education is how we invest in our future.
Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders called this her landmark legislation. It raises minimum teacher pay to $50,000 and allows districts to set their own salary schedule for future raises. It also allows parents to use vouchers to send their children to private school. That has UA Fort Smith Assistant Professor Dr. Eric Baker a little concerned.
The concern is that you're using public money that could potentially, will go to private schools. And the concern is that you're going to create a two-tiered system where the wealthy will send their children to private schools and make up whatever difference between the voucher and the private school tuition is. So, and the poor families won't have that opportunity. So it really comes down to an equity and equal opportunity sort of question.
The LEARNS Act sponsor, Russellville State Senator Breanne Davis, says she has no problem with the voucher system.
There's case law on this. Like, everything is constitutional. There's been cases across the country. Like, there was a recent ruling about this very thing. It's completely constitutional, and I have no problem with it.
Fayetteville State Senator Greg Leding says the voucher system is wrong.
Private schools are going to select which students they want. And so if you have a student who's struggling in a public school, they go to a private school, they continue to struggle, that private school can send them back to public schools. And that just doesn't seem like a fair situation.
Dr. Baker says it's the same situation in 2002 when a lawsuit was filed that ended when the Arkansas Supreme Court ruled the state's education funding system was void of equality.
There's certainly people who are raring to go with a lawsuit, and I could see the state Supreme Court weighing in on this quite easily.
He says he's pretty sure the Democratic Party will file some kind of legal challenge, but the party may not be the only one.
But you could see some parents who would take issue on this in terms of an equity issue, equal protection issue, maybe even a civil rights issue.
Dr. Baker says if a lawsuit is filed, it could cause a major delay in the act taking effect.